Things to be considered before purchasing a house property in India. If you are purchasing your house property from a resident, you have to consider Section 194 IA, which deals about TDS on the immovable property. If the value of the property is above 50 lakh rupees, you have to charge 1% of actual consideration or stamp duty value, whichever is higher, which means 1% is applicable on the higher value between actual consideration and stamp duty value. And if you are purchasing the house property from a non-resident, you have to consider Section 195 of TDS making the payment. What does Section 195 says? Section 195 says that if you are giving any amount to a non-resident person, you have to charge the entire tax amount as a TDS and deposit to the government. When you are purchasing from a resident individual, you don't have to take 10 number. Your PAN number will work as a 10 number. Along with this provision, you have to consider a few more things. If you are purchasing your house property from a resident person, then you have to deduct the TDS and deposit to the government. But in this case, you don't have to take a 10 number. But in case of purchasing house property from a non-resident person, you have to take a 10 number. Because without having the 10 number, you can't deduct TDS of a non-resident person. In case of resident, you have to file Form 26QB. In case of non-resident, you have to file Form 27QB. Things to be considered before purchasing a house property. Number 1. The title deed must be clear. Number 2. You must check the chain is available in the property, which means from the first owner to the last owner who is giving this property to you, there must be a chain. Like how does the property comes from the first owner to the last owner, existing last owner. Okay. Number 3. There should be no dispute on the property. Number 4. There should be a proper substitution letter between the family. Number 5. There should be not any charge on against the property.